everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to break down different types of e-commerce applications. So if you're thinking to start your own e-commerce business or want to expand the current one, this video will help you to understand that which app might be the best fit for you. E-commerce applications have revolutionized the way we buy and sell products online. But did you know that there are different types of e-commerce applications? Two main types are single vendor and multi-vendor applications. So in this video, we'll understand what does they mean, their benefits, their challenges, and who should go for which application. So let's start with single vendor e-commerce application. As the name suggests, these apps are designed for the businesses who sell their own products exclusively. Take it as your own online store where you can control everything from inventory to customer service. Examples of single vendor applications would be Apple and Zara, where they sell their own branded products directly to consumers. So now you understand what does they mean. Now let's see what are the benefits of single vendor application. First, we have control. Single vendor applications provides you immense control on your application or on your business. Here you oversee your inventory, means you can manage your stock levels, restock them if they run low, and you can ensure that your customers get everything they want. Additionally, you can set your own pricing. This flexibility allows you to implement various pricing strategies. For example, seasonal sales, discounts, or premium pricing for exclusive products. And all this without the need to coordinate with any other vendor. This provided by e-commerce applications, and that too single vendor. Next, we have branding. Branding is another important benefit of having a single vendor application. As compared to multi-vendor applications, single vendor applications are very good in doing branding. See, your apps can provide everything about your branding. Means your every aspect shows your branding. For example, you can set your app's appearance according to your brand's logos, colors, and overall aesthetic. This branding consistency will increase the recognition and your customers will remember your brand. This will directly affect your brand loyalty. Next, we have customer engagement. Another important benefit is direct customer engagement in single vendor application. Here, you know what your customers shop for, like you know what they shop, what they like, and on this basis, you can provide them personalized recommendations, notifications, and offers. Additionally, if you go for customer service on your own, like you are doing the whole customer service, then you can solve the problems very effectively and quickly. This will increase the trust of your customers and will directly affect your customer base and sales. However, single vendor applications come with their own sets of challenges. First is responsibility. Single vendor application is very important when you go for responsibility. Like you are responsible for each and everything in the whole business and application. You have to see the shipping, you have to see about the stocks, you have to see that your product is of good quality, you have to see that the person who's going to deliver is okay, because the delivery also matters a lot. You also have to solve all the customer inquiries related to returns or exchange or product quality. And all of this really needs a lot of communication and time from your side. Next, we have scalability. Scaling and single vendor e-commerce application is quite hard as compared to multi-vendor application, because here you are the only one who is doing all the jobs. When your business grows, it will be difficult to expand in different markets, to extend your product line, or to manage more orders as you are the only one who is doing this. Yes, hiring staff can help, but this will cost additionally because you are the only one who is doing this. Next, we have limited product range. So, providing a higher range of products to your customers can be a challenging task if you are the only source, because in multi-vendor, where all the sellers contribute to the wide range, in single vendor application, you are the only one, and the range only depends on how you can produce and how you can manage the stocks. So here your customers would not get attracted because they cannot fulfill all their needs on a single application. So this might might be a cause of concern for your application. Next, let's see who should go for single vendor application. First are entrepreneurs who want to extend their brand and who want to sell unique product, or businesses who want to control everything from customer service to app interface, or the companies who want to establish direct connect with the customers. Now let's talk about multi-vendor application. This is a marketplace where different sellers can list and sell their products directly. For example, Amazon and eBay, where they provide a wide range of products to their customers. Now let's see the benefits of having multi-vendor application. First and the most important is diverse range of products. By having multiple sellers which contribute to wide range of products, your customers' needs gets fulfilled every time. This makes your application a one-stop shop for every customer, because now their needs are fulfilled and they get everything they want. So, diverse product range is an important factor for having multiple vendor application. Next, we have shared responsibility. Shared responsibilities is important when you have an e-commerce business, because here your vendors have their own responsibility of their own products, like they have responsibility of their own inventory, their own selling and their own pricing. So now you don't have to worry about each and every product, and you can concentrate of platform management and application interface, and you can also see about marketing of your application, because now you don't have that burden of your responsibilities. Next, we have revenue opportunity. Multiple vendor applications provide multiple revenue opportunities, because now you can earn from different sources, like from commission of the sales, from subscription that you provide to both customers as well as sellers, and also you can provide advertisements, like you can share the advertisements on your application and you can generate revenue from that. Additionally, if you have a good vendor and their sales is going good, then you can generate revenue from that. So these were the benefits of having an e-commerce application. But there are also some challenges in multiple vendor applications. First is maintaining the quality. Maintaining a quality when you have a multiple vendor application is quite tough, because all the vendors are responsible for their own inventory, shipping and selling the products. So now you can't see each and every product, their quality and their shipping, because they are responsible of their own. So here, even if a few vendor compromise with their product quality or delay in shipping, then the overall reputation of your marketplace gets low. Next, we have dispute management. Managing the dispute between buyers and sellers is another level of task, because here, disputes can be about anything: product quality, returns, or the delay in the delivery. And here, there is a lot of back and forth of communication, and it's quite time consuming, because you have to manage all the dispute. Next, we have complexity. Complexity in a multiple vendor application is quite more as compared to single vendor application, because here there are various amounts of sellers, I mean a large amount of seller and a large amount of customers, and you have to make sure that the app runs smoothly for both of them. Here you have to keep in mind that the application is user friendly, you have to provide secure transaction, you have to provide each and every technical support they need and everything they need. This was about the disadvantages. Now let's see who should go for multiple vendor applications. Entrepreneurs who want to provide a big marketplace and provide a huge wide range of products from different sellers, or businesses who want to share their operational responsibilities with other sellers, or companies who want to provide a wide range of products through different sellers and want to earn through commission or through subscription or different revenue operations rather than relying only on their product sales. So overall, which application should you choose? It depends on your companies and your business models and goals. If you are a single businessman and you want to produce your unique products and want a brand, then you should go for single vendor application. But if you are a businessman who wants to provide a wide range of products and want to share the responsibilities, then you should go for multi-vendor application. In summary, understanding the difference between single vendor and multi-vendor platforms is essential when you are planning to provide your own e-commerce application. Each of them come with their own benefits and challenges. So choose widely according to your business needs. That's it for today's video, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubt or a topic you want us to cover next, please comment below. For further information, you can visit our website that is linked in the description. Until next time, happy selling.